Yeah, good evening traders. SBT Trading here speaking. So yeah, guys, right now what we're gonna do, I'm bringing you the in-depth of the video that I posted today about the counting of levels. So I'm bringing you the in-depth of counting of levels. Again, how to take trades using the counting of levels. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this is my chart for analyzing. It's still raw. So yeah, guys, we will check on how to count the levels so that we can get a trade, but we're not trading. uh, I feel like this is a more in-depth um on how to count the levels, as I said, and how to take a trade based on the in-depth level. Yeah, guys. So without any waste of time, we can start. Um, if you have any questions, please write on the comment below. Uh, don't forget to like and subscribe to SBT Trading. So yeah, guys, on the previous video, I touched and showed you guys on how to count levels. Specifically, let me just draw here because I have a bit of a space. Specifically, I said that, let me even change my color to black here. So I said that a level consists of this level. It's like this, and then it has a retracement. This is an impulsive move, and retracement, impulsive move, retracement, um, and again impulsive move. So as you can see, we have three levels, guys. I said that when you're trading using this concept, you use it on your 4 hour, 4 hour, guys. You use it on your 4 hour, and um, also you can use it on your 1 hour. But truly speaking, um, the markets, with this concept, you can trade any time frame, as long as you will as long as you will sorry, I'm trying to delete this thing so that I can write a visible 1 hour. Yes, just like that. So as long as you will be able to use if you are using on a smaller time frame, let's take you are using a 1 minute. So what you would want to do when you are using a 1 minute time frame is to make sure that it corresponds to 5 minutes, 15 minutes charts at any higher time frame than the current one you're using. So if you're basing this strategy on a 1 hour, you need to have a confluence of a 4 hour time frame. So yeah, guys, if you can remember, I said within this 4 hour, this level. So let me change my color to orange. I said that this one level is created by 9 levels of 1 hour. 9 levels of 1 hour, guys. 1 hour, 9 levels create only one level of a 4 hour, and then after that we have a retracement, and then we have a pullback. As you can we have an impulsive move, sorry, not a pullback. This here is our retracement, and then again we have a retracement, and after that we have our last impulsive move to create a level of a 4 hour. So guys, when everything is done, uh, there's this what we call a reset. A reset happens like this, whereby the market moves back uh, to start afresh, with a level. So a level will continue. So when I say a level will continue, it will continue. Let me change my color again to black. It will continue moving down, retracement, moving down, retracement, moving down. So again, guys, don't get confused. After a reset, this is what happens. Um, an impulsive move or a drop, and then we have a retest or retracement, then we have a drop again or impulsive move, and then we have this last drop. Again, the market, it will do a reset until until all the levels on the 4-hour are completed, guys. Remember, one level of a 4-hour is created by 3 of these levels of a 1 hour before there's a reset. This is a reset. We will move to our charts so I can show you what I'm talking about, guys. So I even further said that if you were to trade the 4-hour on a 15 minutes, it means that one level of a 4-hour is gonna be created by 81 levels 81 levels of a 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame, guys. This is what I said yesterday, because you'll have to have 81 levels, meaning those levels, they are the threes to create one level of a 4-hour, guys. So how do we trade this? Well, I believe any strategy within the market must have a confluence of everything. You must use the current strategy you are using to trade. You must also use other confluences to make your strategy work for you, or a concept work for you. So again, guys, I am not the author of this concept. As I said on the previous video, Stephen Morrow is the author and the founder of this concept. But what I want to tell you, what I'm showing you right now, Stephen Morrow doesn't show it. I'm going in depth with this concept, using it with the strategies that I created as well. So guys, seeing that you now understand levels, how to count levels, we can move to our charts. If you have any questions, write down on the comment box, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So guys, let's move to our charts, and we have to find the levels. Okay, first, before we find our levels, this is what I want you to understand, guys. As you can see, the market has been a downtrend before it changed. It has been a downtrend, right? We do agree. Right? Isn't it so, traders, that the market has been a downtrend? Yes, the market has been a downtrend. So yeah, guys, after the market has been a downtrend, how do you use this strategy? It's simple, guys. It's very simple. This is how you're gonna find um, you're gonna find sniper entries. uh, more especially, you're gonna enter at the levels where your stop loss will be safe and you'll be just trailing a stop loss. So remember, yesterday I spoke about a peak, a peak, 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 not peak, but a peak, guys, whereby a market has reached all the moves, right? This here is our peak, this one here. It's from the upside. As you can see, it's a downtrend, and here is our peak as well. So how do you use this, guys? How do you use this, and how do you make this work for you? It's easy. um, Identify the levels, and then after identifying the levels, uh, make this work for you. Again, guys, um, here you must unlearn everything you know. So this is my first level, guys. As you can see, uh, this is the first level, and then I'm looking to have um, a second level, and again a third level is here. So let me explain what's happening here, guys. um, Sorry about that. Let me unlock here and delete this. I do not need it. Yep. Yeah, so let me explain what's happening here, guys. What's really happening here, we are getting 3 levels before a reset. You remember what I draw there? I said a market moves like this. It moves like this in threes, and then once it's done, there's a huge you'd say it's a reversal, but it's not a reversal, it's a retest, and then the market starts afresh with the levels. So your drop, your retest, your drop, your retest, your drop, and your reset. Drop, retest, drop, retest, drop, and reset. So this is how the market moves, guys. Ne? So um, we do agree with each other that this is how the market moves. So um, yep. So sorry about that. I will just start afresh with my levels. Um, I'll just start afresh with my levels because I don't want the chart to be so clumsy so that you do not understand what I'm showing you, because this is so important. This is where you're gonna make your money. And again, guys, within this level, if you can check here before a retest, I said there must be 9 levels. That's what I said. I said there must be 9 levels to make one level. So this is a 15 minutes, and we have to go to a 1 hour first so we can find that one level, and then I just want to show you how this works. Um, this is our 1 hour. Okay. Yep. This is our 1 hour, guys. So I'll just have to change that color. This is a single level, right? We do agree. If you don't agree, just write on your on the comment box, or put a dislike. It's fine. I'll understand that there are people who do not agree with this. Yes, this is the first level. So the second level is here, right? The second level is here. Remember, I want to show you something, guys. What you see those retest on a 1 hour. On a 15 minutes, this is a reset, it's not a retest. Okay, so here they seem like a retest, and even this, it's not on a higher time frame, it's just a retest. So you have to bear those things in mind, guys. So within a level, there must be it must be completed by 3 levels. Yes, a level must be completed by 3 levels. So we can jump into our 15 minutes again. So we have 3 levels moving to the upside before a retest or a reset. This is the first level. This where's my okay, yeah, I told you a reset, guys. There's a reset. I hope you do see it. Let me highlight it for you. This here is our reset. After 3 moves, reset, 3 moves, reset, 3 moves, reset. So guys, these 3 moves, they are within one level of 1 hour. So does it make sense to you guys? 3 levels create one level of a higher time frame. I'm using 1 hour. This is the level of 1 hour. And then when I go to my smaller time frame, I find that um, three 3 levels create only one level of the 1 hour. You can also go to your 5 minutes if you like. You're still gonna have to find 3 levels that created this. So uh, I just want to show you something, guys. Bear with me. I want to show you something. This is gonna open your eyes, and definitely um, you will want to trade like this. You won't use your indicators anymore. And again, I do not find any problem using indicators. I have the indicators there, they are. And on the description, you'll find the settings for these indicators if you prefer to use your indicators. So within a 5 minute, we have our we have these levels here, guys. um, One, whoa, okay, um, we have this level, it's one, right? We agree this is a 5 minutes, guys, bear in mind. And then the second level, right? And lastly, the third level, before the market did what? Before the market reset. Guys, do you see how easy is this? This is a reset. And then again, we start afresh, a level within a level, or a level inside of a level. Yeah, it does make sense like that, guys. A level inside of a level. So the first level, it's after the reset. This is it here. It's one. And then immediately the second level, it's this one here. um Let me show you something, because this might confuse you. How many of you are well fond with a strategy called rally base rally, drop base drop? This here, guys, is not a retest, it's just a base. A base. A base. A retest goes in sideways and it goes on the opposite direction. Okay, so one, two, and here is a sideways. This is a retest, and then a third level, guys. Guys, I hope you're following. Third level, a third level that has even a a a base. So after everything is done. We completed the levels on a 5 minutes, and we have a huge um, reset, market reset. Again, remember, this is within a 5 minutes. This is within a 5 minutes, guys. This is within a 5 minutes. So after a reset, we have market starting afresh again. First level on a 5 minutes, and we do agree, right? This is not a reset, guys. This is not a reset. If you can compare this drop and compare with this one here, compare this drop. Let me do this. Compare this drop or retest. You compare it with this reset. See, a retest, a reset is very huge. A reset is very huge. You will understand that you are within a reset. So uh second move, then a retest sideways. Don't forget the keyword. Sideways retest can go sideways. Remember, don't forget that. And then we have our third level here before a huge drop. So guys, do you understand that the arrows that I did, these are the level of the 5 minutes, and the ones um, on the box, uh, the ones on this box here. Let me take my highlighter to, yep, the ones, these ones here on the box, and these ones on the box, the ones that are on the box, orange box, are the 15 minutes. And then these ones, the blue ones, are your 1 hour time frame, guys. Your 1 hour, and then here it's your 15 minutes, right? You'll excuse that. I hope you do see this is a 15 minutes. Oh yeah, we can use um, we can use um, we can use, yeah, we can use 15 minutes. So I hope you guys are following, and I hope you're not bored. uh, these ones on the orange are a 15 minutes, right? You do agree with me, guys? Do you agree with me, or do you disagree with me? I hope you do agree with me. So guys, I just wanna show you how simple is this thing. Once you understand this, and once you practice it, and you use this on your trading, it's gonna be easy for you to trade. Again, this is not for newbies or people who have just started to trade. This is not for them. um, People who have just started to trade, there are plenty of mentors. Go to them, they will teach you how to trade, and once they are done with you, come to this. You will understand what I am talking about here. This is not for people who have just started or have less than 6 months trading. You still won't understand anything. So uh, here I said they are the 15 minutes, and then the arrows, I said they are the 5 minutes, right? The arrows here, they represent the 5 minutes chart, right? Don't get confused. And then the blue one, the blue box, it's your 1 hour time frame, right? So guys, can you see where I am going with this? You see the levels, you see the power of the levels. Pause the video and take a deep breath and think how you can use these levels. Think how you can trade these levels. You know, I have been a victim of, when I'm trading, let's take I enter here, I see that, okay, um, let's say I enter here. I see that the market is going up. I'm a newbie that time, and I don't know how to trade. I entered here, I have put my position there, and then I see that the market is going up and it's actually in my favor. And I'm holding because I was taught to hold. How? And the market is going up. I'm in profit. Yeah, I'm the king of blues. I'm enjoying. And then the market comes down and takes my profit and my stop loss. It stops me out. After doing that, the market immediately goes up. And then I'm left wondering what has just happened. I'm like, what did just happen? Because I thought that I had this market. I thought that I had this market. Remember, I entered, I put my stop loss, and then the market goes against me. I'm in profit for a few minutes, and then the market goes against me. And it even takes my money. It hits my stop loss and takes my money. It takes my money, hit the stop loss, and then it goes to the direction that I thought it was going to. I used to suffer a lot with this um, before I understood what was happening in the market. I used to think that maybe there's witchcraft involved in this trading thing. Um, Only I did not understand that the market moves in levels, guys. The market moves in levels. This is my second level here. Remember, the arrows represent 5 minutes levels. The boxes that are in orange represent 15 minutes, and the blue one represent 1 hour. 1 hour level. It's only one level of a 1 hour, the blue one, and the orange one, there are three levels of 15 minutes, and then the arrows, it's 3, 6, 9, 9 levels. Create 9 levels, create 1 hour. 9 levels create 1 hour. So, guys, do you understand the importance of uh, levels? Do you really understand how important they are? So, yeah, I want I won't be moving forward to create levels on this box. I guess this has supplied us with sufficient information on how to create levels. So what we'll be doing right now, uh, let me just uh, pause my screen so that you can have a perfect look. You can take screenshots if you'll be watching this on YouTube, so you can practice on what I've just did here. So how do you trade with levels? How do you trade with levels, guys? That's the biggest question probably most of you are asking yourselves right now. Okay, SBT, we can hear you. You're talking of levels, but how do we trade levels? It's simple, guys. I am trading supply and demand. I am also trading other blocks. So um, you have to understand the count of levels will teach you how the market moves. You will understand that supply and demand occur first before other blocks. In other words, the market, the demand or the supply will create a way for an order block. Does it make sense, guys? Does it make sense to you guys? The demand and supply will create a a way for an order block. And again, because I'm on a 5 minutes, I'm just seeing this now. We have plenty of levels here. There's one, and there's two, and there's the third one before a a a a reset. No, this is the third one, guys, not that one. Before a reset, This is not a reset. So yeah, guys, as you can see, this is a retest and this is a reset. The market is starting afresh. And how do you trade levels? Because I'm trading supply and demand, this is what I would do. You understand, guys? This is what I would do. Let me change color for this here. And where's that? Yeah, let me change color to brown. No, it's still similar to orange and orange. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. So let's take this as our demand. We're not actually taking it. It is our demand to push the market go up. So this is our demand, guys. And what did happen? The market rallied up with the levels, and then check what happened. It did a reset, and the reset came straight to the demand, right? Do we agree, guys? You're gonna see this. As long as you're not trading on a 1 minute time frame, because it's more faster, you'll be able to catch these moves. Even on a 1 minute time frame, it depends how fast you are. So it came back to our demand level, and then it created another level. While it was creating another level, it was creating also an order block. What is an order block? So again, I'm gonna draw another here. The market came back to create an order block. Okay, let me just zoom in so I can see. Yes, this here is our order block. Okay, there is it. You have it, your order block there. The market came for this order block, as you can see. And right now, a lot of you are saying, but it never touched the order block. Yeah, it never touched the order block, I can see as well. But this is your order block, and order block creates imbalances. So now I have to tell you about an imbalance. This here on this line, let me just write, it's an imbalance. Imbalance, guys. This is an imbalance, and then text, this is my order block. Order block. So remember, we are looking the last candle before the market before the market violates structures. The last candle, the last opposite candle before the market violated structures. Some of you would take this one. Yeah, sometimes, but I wouldn't take that one. You know why? Because it never started a trend. This is what started a trend. Yes, it does qualify as an order block. On a higher time frame, you can use that as an order block, because on a higher time frame it will appear as one candle, but in fact it's 2 or 3 candles, not one. So guys, see, after this the market rallied up, like it rallied up with the levels, level. Remember that, with the levels, it rallied up, and then it did the reset again. It came back to the OP, the imbalance and the OP. So what is an imbalance, guys? An imbalance takes place when the price algorithm, this is where you're gonna understand when I usually say that the buyers do not have control in the market. Even the sellers, there's no such a thing that the buyers are in control, they are moving the market to the upside, and the sellers are in control, they are moving the market to the downside. You will understand that the market is moved by price algorithm. I don't care whether you are trading stocks, I don't care whether you are trading NAS 100, your indices, or you're trading currencies. The same fate we all face. The market moves with price algorithm. It does not move because your JP Morgan, they put 50 million and then the market went up. If it's like that, it's easy to manipulate the market. We would all be billionaires or millionaires if that was the case. But this is just an algorithm that you need to learn, understand to become profitable. So the imbalance happened because the market rallied. It's just rallied, and it left here. It did not give any chance to the sellers here. As you can see, 1 2 3 candles, there's no red candles. So, and this long one, it creates an imbalance. And if you can check, it also gets confluence from the strategy that or the concept that I will introduce, the swing high and swing low. Remember, the swing high and the swing low, it's not this swing most of you are used to it, that this is my swing high, this is my swing low. No, I'm making a swing within a swing. So you can see the highest candle of the swing low was this, and the lowest candle of this swing is this. And you can see that the imbalance happened between these candles, and the influence it got it from this swing. Sorry about that, let me just remove it. So yeah, you can see that the influence it got from this swing here, this important swing, it influenced this move here. So yeah guys, after the market touched the OP, because of the imbalance, it was giving the sellers a chance for them to be active in the market. And how did it give them a chance? By this move, by this move, this whole reset move, the sellers were given a chance to make money as well. It's part and parcel of price algorithm. It's not that the buyers were tired here, they were taking profit. Just think about it. Use common sense. Who can get tired of making money? Guys, let's use common sense. No one can get tired of making money. And then price, after a reset, it started again with this level, second level, third level, and then again a reset. So, and this reset happened because of the imbalance and the OP. The confluence is there, and the order block and the imbalance happened because of a demand. Do you see where I'm going with this? There's no need to have indicators in your chart. You can use indicators. I use them as well. There's nothing wrong. It's still part and parcel of price action. So how do you take trades? I've just explained now how do you take trades using this system. You take trades based on what you see. You take trades based on what you understand. And remember guys, on this, I'm explaining this on a 5 minutes. Remember, we started on the 4 hour, we went on the 1 hour, we went on the 15, and we went on our 5 minutes for early entries. So as I'm explaining this, you can now see that I would have catched my entry here when price came back to the demand, because I understand how to count the levels. I would know that now the levels are completed. Price must exhaust and go to the nearest demand or order block. Put that in mind. Once the levels are exhausted, once the levels are completed, price must exhaust to the nearest demand or order block before it can take off again. It's giving it's giving chance to this a group of people, and then it's giving chance to this group of people. It's not that the buyers are having money and then they are buying the market. When they are tired, the sellers come in place. No, who gave you that nonsense? That's nonsense, guys. This is how you trade. This is how you trade. And order block was created. So remember, those who loves to trade order blocks don't go alone. They have mitigation blocks, breaker blocks, order blocks. They have a lot. You have to use all the concepts and all the strategies, to make something work for you guys. You can't just rely on order block alone. You will blow your account still. But with what I'm giving you now, it's impossible for you to blow your account. You know here that it's your peak. In other words, you know here that it's your peak, and here it's your peak as well. Remember, I talked about peak. You know that here it's your peak. You're waiting for the market to finish with this going down thing. And how do you really know that the market is about to finish with going down so it can start a new trade? How do you know that? How do you know that? Let me explain this so that I can actually close this video, because now it's taking time. It's going to an hour and I don't like that. So how do you know that a price created a peak and then now is about to create a peak? A peak you will understand when you see something like a double top. Liquidity, guys. Remember, there's liquidity involved. People entered here and they were trapped here and their money was taken here. Right? Do we agree, guys? Do you see a double top here? No, you don't. Do you see a double top here? No, you don't. You don't, guys. And how do you know that price is about to reverse on your lower peak so that it can go to buy? Liquidity. Let me mark that with a different color, maybe orange. Liquidity, guys. Liquidity. Those of you who entered here in hope that market now is reversing to the upside, you're in for it, because market is not gonna go up. You're gonna be in profit for a few minutes and then market will take you out and your stop loss, and then it will start to go up on that direction. That's where you get your peak. Even here, same fate happens. So guys, this is how it works. This is how it works. You need to sit and look at your charts, look at price, how it goes. The algorithm, guys, the person who created this algorithm is so clever. He's a genius. He's more than being clever. He's more than being a genius. The person who created this algorithm, guys. So here is a peak, and then again it's a peak here. And what do you see? What do you really see? Head and shoulders, double top. They create your peak. You will understand when you see them. And once you see them, it's very impossible for you to unsee them. Again, what happened here? See? See what I'm telling you about, guys. See what I'm telling you about. Here, there's a double top. There's a double top. And here, we have also some sort of a double top before price reversed back and it reached its peak and then it went to your favor. Like, you need to understand how price moves, because the setups will not present themselves as you have studied. That's why it's very important to practice this and understand it. Guys, With this, I hope you do understand everything. I will not use my fibs because I do not know how to use these fibs here. The ones that I'm using on my MetaTrader, uh, they have settings on them, but with these fibs, I cannot put settings. As you can see, it's only showing me colors, of which I do not understand how to actually change these colors to these numbers, because if I had these numbers I would be able to use this Fibonacci. But Fibonacci as well, it helps you to get the market early as it presents an opportunity to you. So guys, with that, I am signing out. This is SBT Trading. I hope you did enjoy this video. Wait for a new video for next month, the analysis of next month, September. Wait for a new video during the course of this week. We will be producing a new video for analysis of next month. And again, remember guys, I talked of order blocks. I talk of order blocks, supply and demand. Remember, you always guys, don't forget this. Don't forget this. Our last OP, this OP, our last OP, our last OP, our last OP, the last candle before price break. This is not an order block. This can qualify to be an order block, and these two can qualify to be an order block. So you just have to stretch uh, your your box so it can be like this. Remember this guys, remember such things. Order block again, and imbalance here. This is an imbalance. You can see the market came back to the imbalance, not the order block. It respected the imbalance and it pushed up with these levels. Guys, I feel like this is enough information, and if you practice this, you'll be able to trade and be profitable. I am SBT Trading and I'm signing out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also follow me on my Instagram. Love you guys, and I hope you will have a profitable week. Since it's Monday, I'm recording this. Thank you. Bye.